How to receive calls on Google Voice. First of all, open the preferred browser and go to voice.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, make sure your Google number is active and linked to your device. When someone calls your Google Voice number, you will receive a notification or ringtone. Click on the green call button to answer the call. During the call, you can use features like mute, speaker, keypad, or hold, just like a regular phone call. After the call ends, you can check your call history in the app to view missed or received calls. You can also manage voicemail messages if the caller leaves on. Now you know how to receive calls on Google Voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.